Yo, what is up, you guys? In today's video, I will show you how to get the latest working Pokemon Go spoofer on your iOS and Android devices. This is a legit video unlike the other YouTube videos. As you guys can see, this is the Pokemon Go spoofer menu with many features. But I will leave that for you to explore. Now let's get started with the tutorial. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is open your web browser and visit this website called spoof.com. This is by far the only legit site I've came across after trying every tutorial video out there on YouTube. After visiting the site, there will be two download buttons. The first download button is for Android devices, which will present you with an APK file to download. And the second download button is for iOS devices, which will instantly install Pokemon Go spoofer menu on your home screen. But don't you worry, it is the same steps for iOS and Android devices from here onwards. So now we are presented with various random apps to download from the App Store. Don't worry, those apps are 100% safe and are just used to inject the Pokemon Go spoofer onto your device. I will now randomly select the first app and install it on my phone. And now I will leave it to finish installing and install the second app. And now I will just wait for the apps to finish installing and run them for 30 seconds each. Alright, we are done running the apps for 30 seconds. All I have to do now is just go back to my home screen and wait for Pokemon Go spoofer to be injected on my home screen. This will take few seconds depending on your internet connection. And there we go. Pokemon Go spoofer is successfully installed on our device. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. That is it for now. Peace out.